Hi everyone, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share with you another storage organizational video. Earlier in the week, I shared with you how I store my envelopes for mailing cards, clear baggies, as well as the clear pockets for my stamps and my dies, what I do with the packaging. Well, today I'm here to share with you how I store my extra adhesives, whether it's liquid adhesive, glue dots, foam dots, score tape, tape runner, refills, all of that. I do have a video that I shared last year where I shared my craft desk, and I shared my Razcog cart that sits by my craft desk. On that top shelf of that cart is where I have my glue gun, and I also have my glue dots, my foam dots, and let's see, most of my liquid adhesive bottles that are opened are on that cart. And then I also have a carousel, and in that is my tape runner and other different types of liquid adhesive. So as a paper crafter, I'm sure you're the same, I use a lot of adhesive. And so I don't want to run out of it, so I always make sure that I have extras. And especially for tape runners, they can get costly. So when I get those on sale, I don't just buy one or two, I will buy 3 or 4 and make sure that I have a good store of them on hand. Again, I store like things together, and I am a visual person. Out of sight means out of mind, so I like to see what I have. And these baskets, my previous storage video that I made this week, I shared 2 of these baskets. I bought them in Oregon. At the time, I purchased 3 of these baskets and then 3 longer ones, same style, same color, but they come up to about this high. They're not as tall. And I did mention that these are nice and sturdy, and I really like that. Now, I'm not sure if you can get these baskets anymore. I got them from Office Max, if I remember correctly. You might still be able to get them. I don't know. They were on sale, so it was a really good deal. But in the video that I posted earlier this week, I mentioned that you don't have to use the same thing. This is just an idea. But Hobby Lobby, when they have their home decor for 50% off, they have baskets on sale. And that would be a really good time if you want to use a similar type, storage container. That's a good time to purchase them. I believe Dollar Tree has baskets. If not, they have the beautiful boxes that are decorated. You could use that and just leave the lid off if you're a visual person like me. This basket, as well as the ones that I shared in my previous video, is stored in my craft closet. My husband took the doors off my craft closet. Why? Because I'm a visual person. I like to see what I have, and also it's just easy access for me to, get what I need really easily. Also, by this container in my craft closet, I have my big Mac Daddy tape here. I have another one that I'm currently using. It's like, I think about almost a half less than this one, because I do use it. It sits on my Razcog cart. So this sits behind this basket on the shelf in the closet. And then next to it, I have my Xyron Create a Sticker refill. So again, like items together. Now I do have packaging tape that I don't store in here. I have a drawer in one of my hutches in my room, and that's just for packaging items. So my packaging tape goes in there. All right, so let me bend this forward so you can see. I have a lot of things in here. I do have a couple of empty fine line bottles in here. I have an extra multimedia mat and then a Nouveau glue, and I just store it upside down because it fits in there better. And then over here I have all different sizes of score tape. I have really, I think it's 1 inch to a 1/2 inch, goes all the way down to 1/8 of an inch. Back here I have score tape, double-sided adhesive. I have foam dots, the pop-up dots there. And then here, these fit really good. These are for one of my tape runners, my dot liner, and I can set them like that in there. So I actually have another one that's on my craft desk ready to be put in my tape runner. And then I have foam mounting tape and squares there. Here I have some more refills for my Gina K tape runner. I got those at Tuesday morning when they were on sale. Here's some more here. And then here's another one. And then these are my Xyron tape runner adhesive refill cartridges. So I get those on sale, and I buy several of them when they are on sale. So it's pretty easy peasy. I have liquid adhesive here. And then in the front, right here, I have some glue dots. These are the, I don't know if I should say glue dots, glue adhesive circles. So they're sticky back. So you peel this off and you can put ribbon and you know, make really pretty flowers and things. That's not all you can do. You can do other things with it. But that is how I store my extra adhesives. Everything's together. Everything's easy to see. It fits in there really well. And I can see if I'm running low just by looking, you know, in my basket. I can see if I'm running low and if I need to reorder. So that is how I store my extra adhesives. And put that bottle there. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this video, and that if so, you would give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, I would really love for you to hit the subscribe button. Have a wonderful, crafty day. I'll talk to you again soon.